Hi everyone, I have come back again after so many days to show you how to interface a sound sensor with an Arduino UNO and with a project idea. This is the output of the project.
रेड बुल नाल क्लासिक खंब लगे मेरे थॉट्स नू 10 साल हो गए अज भी ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜ਼ੇਨ ਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਪੋਲ ਡੈਂਸ ਰੋਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾਉਂਦਾ ਬਿਲੋ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੋਪਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਲਾਏ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਿਟ ਕੋਈ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੁਕਾਬਲੇ ਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਫਿਟ ਕੋ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਲੇਬਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਝੂਠ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਿੰਗਰ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਨਾ ਗੀਤ ਹਿੱਟ ਕੋਈ
A sound sensor is a device which converts the sound waves into electrical signals. We have to first connect a ground pin into the ground like this. And then the VCC pin into VCC into positive. Then the analog 0 pin to the analog output pin of the sound sensor. Now let's move on to the code. In this portion I have declared all the variables. In this line I have begun a communication between the laptop and the Arduino board in 9600 baud. In this portion I have declared all the pin modes. In this line I have declared a variable named sum. In this portion I have taken 100 sample of the variable sound. In this line I have averaged the sample of sound. In this portion I have given all the conditions. In this line I have given a delay of 10 milliseconds. In this line I have printed the variable sum, which is the average of the sample of sound. Thanks everyone and for watching this video, and please like, share, subscribe and comment for encouraging me and for more such contents. Bye bye.